In this video, I'm going to show you how to find free Wi-Fi anywhere and anytime you want. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And all we need to find the free Wi-Fi hotspots is just a Facebook application. So first open up your Facebook and after that hit on menu. There, scroll down for a bit and tap on settings and privacy, and there is the option calls find Wi-Fi. Hit on that and there you are able to see on the map and on that list free Wi-Fi hotspots around your area with time of work and with distance to that hotspot. You can tap on that now and there you can get some more details like work time, Wi-Fi name and distance to that point. So now you can always find free Wi-Fi hotspot around you, and don't forget to like that video and subscribe to my channel.